But let's go up to the top here.
Here we are in a jungle with these two guys.
They know where they're going now.
They know where they're going. We'll get there.
I just thought we were going to be here once. Waterfall's a lot easier. The park is a lot. You gotta don't go right. Keep going straight down.
Hi guys, down here at the waterfall base. It's gorgeous. Really.
Just so that you know that the name of this fall is the Lance Rollins Fall.
Look at this crazy guy. How cold do you think the water is?
That cold?
Oh, it's
That's cold.
pretty cold. I don't know. I would guess it's about 65, 70. What do you think, Greg?
Yeah, below 70s.
Yeah.
68 or something.
Yeah, somewhere there.
Wow.
But you know, the other day after church,
Oh, the beans.
hanging from
hanging there.
Yeah.
this tree here, you see this?
Uh-huh.
Now, you never want to put your hand around the bean or touch it.
Okay.
Because it's covered with little hairs. And you put your hand around this lot. And you forever and a day, you're going to be picking out these little tiny hairs you can barely see.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
But it's very tempting. Very tempting to put your hand around and say, oh.
That's so crazy.
But what
Yeah.
is it? Is it like something to eat?
It's a seed. It's a seed.
It's a
Ah.
seed.
Pod.
I don't think you can eat it. I've never seen it at the markets or anything like that. But they hang. You see, that sometimes they hang from high up.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a place we saw. Remember that
The
Finca
Finca
trees?
Yeah.
where we got a bit lost? We had to backtrack. There was an aqueduct there, and these trees, they're.
Oh God.
I mean, this.
Where the cows are, there's the waterfall. Right through there.
Yes. What's those? Yesterday, today, and tomorrow's? Are they?
Those are the names of the flowers?
These guys.
Huh.
Some orchids.
Beautiful.
But I think we got across eventually. So we ran out of road. And we didn't have any choice but to go across.
We're actually lost right now. I'll just say it like it is. That's beautiful.
This was an issue.